Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Glam. If you like this look that I'm wearing right now, stay tuned to watch to see the deets and how I got it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you want to be notified of when I post my videos, which is every Wednesday, sometimes I post on Tuesdays also, press the bell and you'll be notified. For my brows, I use ABH Pomade and Chocolate. To clean up my brows, I use LA Girl Pro Conceal and Cool Tan. Now we're going to get into Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. I'm going to go in with Zobo on my crease. As you can see, I'm lightly tapping and packing on that color into the crease. Next, we're going to go in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to use the orange shade in the palette to place over Zobo and to slightly overlap it with it as well. Pack the color in on the outside and mid crease, and then let the color be light when you get to the inner corner of your eyes. We are still using the Zulu palette. This time I'm going to use the yellow color, and I'm going to place it above the orange shade and lightly overlap it with it. Again, remember when you get close to the inner corner, make sure that the color is light. You want to pack all the color in on the outer and mid crease. I'm going in with my Cellular Cleansing Water by Garnier to clean off the excess eyeshadow so I can place a blank canvas for my cut crease. Yes, my mirror is broken. I broke it while recording. I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal in Creamy Beige to cut my crease. Still working with the Zulu palette, I'm going to now place the pink gold shimmer shade on my lid. Now it's time for me to apply glitter. I use Duo as my glitter adhesive. I found that I was allergic to other glitter adhesives, and this one works just fine. It's just hard to get off when it's time to remove it, but it works like a charm. I'm going to line my waterline with L'Oreal's Infallible in black. Next, I'm lining the top with CoverGirl Get In Line Active in black. I'm going to apply my lashes. They do not have a name. I got them from a local vendor. Next up is foundation, Huda Beauty, Faux Filter, and Gingerbread and Cinnamon. You find a foundation that you like and they don't have your exact shade, you may could find two foundations to mix together to get your perfect complexion. Before applying, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Face Primer. You want to apply the primer before you put the foundation on your hands, FYI. Whoops, almost forgot to put on my corrector. I'm going to apply my corrector, LA Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector. Next, we're going to blend it out with the Beauty Blender. I had a lot of distractions filming this video. As you can see, I forgot to blend the corrector above my lips. Back to the foundation, we're going to apply it and blend it in with the Beauty Blender. Now it's time to highlight LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. And now it's time to blend it out. Remember when you are blending out your highlighter to make sure that you blend around the edges as well so you have a smooth transition. Once I'm done blending in with the Beauty Blender, I'm going to go in with the face brush and just smooth out any harsh lines. I'm going to set my concealer with B9 Banana Powder. Next, we're going to go in with the ABH Contour Palette, medium to tan. I'm going to use the darkest brown shade for my contour. Again, I am going back over my face with the face brush to blend out any harsh lines. Next, I'm going in with the ABH Contour Kit, and I'm going with that brown shade at the bottom left corner, and we're going to contour the nose. Next up is the Profusion Blush Palette. I'm going to use the colors Playful and Great. Next, I'm going to use NYX Lip Liner in Bloom. Next up on the lips, NYX Lingerie and the shade Dusk to Dawn. After looking at my lips, I did decide to add some gloss. I hope you like this look. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. Also, follow me on IG.